everyone, it's your girl Queen Nana. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to pass your thread on your industrial sewing machine. So basically you need your thread, your bobbin and your reeler. You already have to pass your thread on your reeler before you start. So let's get to work. Okay, so you have to place your thread here. You would see it has two compartments. So this is for this and this is for the next one. So I'm going to be using this. So I've placed my thread, so I'm going to pass it through this hole. I'll pass it through here, then you bring it to this point. You will see a hole. You would have to pass it through the hole. Once you bring it out, you take it and pass it round here. This has two holes, so you pass it from the up one and then pass it and then pass it through the down one. Then you pass it through here. Then you see these two. You pass it here. Then take it and pass through here. You pass it through here, bring it out and then pass through here. Then you drag it down, pass it through this, then you now fix it to your needle. Then you take your bobbin and your reeler, put your reeler into your bobbin. You see a tiny space here. You pass your thread through this space, then you take it and pass here. Now, for industrial sewing machines, you make sure that this faces you while you put it under. But for manual, it goes the other way. But for industrial, this should face you. You can't actually see the under of the machine, but this should face you while you locate the space for the bobbin. So when you fix it, you would hear the metal clip too, and that is it. So you now use this turn your wheel, use this, bring out the one that you've placed under, and then you can sew. So I hope you've learned how to pass your thread on your industrial sewing machine. So do well to like, subscribe to my channel. And if there is any other thing that you would want me to teach you or let you know, please do well to let me know in the comment section.